I have something to say, peeps. If you like my Kountry Boi shirt, just let me know if you would pay some real cash for this shirt. I'll find a way to get it to you. You know me, I'm like a CIA. Alrighty. Alright, so I think about 3 or 4 weeks ago, I told everybody that Margaritaville was not open. I'll have to show you Island Village and what the complex is like maybe in a future video when things kind of open up. Guess what? It is open now. So yeah man, I'll be giving you a tour of Margaritaville. Because remember I promised you that. And by the way, where's my manners? Everybody welcome to Kountry Boi channel again. And yeah, I know you haven't seen me in a couple weeks or two, but yeah, guess what? I feel proud about something. Kountry Boi look like he's gonna make his first 1K video. And yeah man, I'm happy about that. So I'm celebrating that right now. So yeah, we're gonna do that. And also the video that I'm telling you about that is gonna hit like 1K hopefully soon. Yeah, that was the video when I picked up Brittany from the airport and everybody seemed to like it. So guess what I gonna do now? I go basically give a part 2 to that video and talk about like what the stay was like for her. So I couldn't get to do an interview with her, but I'm gonna share what she told me with you and other person's experience so you can know. Yeah, and by the way, it kinda get a new hairstyle done, you know. I try a new thing, so yeah. Kountry Boi is always looking fresh as always. Alright, so the first part of the complex that I will be showing you is the movie theater. Yeah man, I'm showing you. Yeah, so on the weekend, whenever like I feel bored or anything, I just want to go to a nice little date or so, I just hang out with somebody and watch a movie. Yeah man, this is where I would come. Margaritaville movie theater. Cove Theater to be exact. So yeah man, this is Cove Theater. All kind of nice movies. But yeah man, them kind of locked right now. As you know, social distancing still go on, so it locked down. Cove Theater. But this is just one place on Margaritaville that I definitely enjoy. So yeah peeps, that's only one place. On to the next place. And what is that? Hopefully them open, cause I would have loved for them make all one ice cream and thing. But if them not open, I just have to go telling about it. Like one of my next favorite places we go to on Margaritaville is Roly Poly. Alright, over there we are step up. Alright peeps, yeah man, this is Roly Poly. So from you see my sad face a while ago, you know it's a Roly Poly look. So I can't get to show you the amazing ice cream that they make here. Yeah man, me and my brother they are apart. Yeah, so yeah man, I can't get to show you the nice ice cream. But guess what you can do? You can go online, go research them, and you will see some of the cool stuff that they do. So yeah, on to my next favorite part in Margaritaville, and that is the beautiful beach that Margaritaville Plaza have. Margaritaville Beach. Yeah man, if you come from Ochi, or even if you're not from here, Margaritaville does have a beautiful beach. You used to come here when I picked me and my uncle Greco from Italy, and yeah, this is the beach I used to take me. So That's my third stop. Let me show you this beach, alright? So you can see out there, so them have one trampoline. Yo, security just run off the Rasta man there. Yeah man. Poor thing. Yeah. Yeah man, over there's a fisherman village. Who knows? Maybe one day me do a documentary just on that and show you them nice restaurant. Yeah, see security there come peeps. Yeah man, so Margaritaville, one of my favorite locations on the beach plaza. Yeah, and that's the third spot. You can even see over there, so I can't believe them do it. Them bring Starbucks coffee come to Jamaica. So, yeah man, but it closed down. Just like Roly Poly, it closed down, so we can't get for have brunch and coffee, you know. But that's how it thing go. So yeah peeps, that is my third and final spot that I'll be showing you on Margaritaville. So yeah man, the Margaritaville complex is much larger than that, but who knows, you gotta save some for the future. So who knows, I might do a part 2, let's see. So this is what again? Alright. Happy shape. So, I know somebody say yo, the beach was the last place that I'll be showing you on Margaritaville. Yeah, so that one I just showed you a while ago is Island Cafe. And let me tell you, the milkshake nice. So if you don't come to Margaritaville, go Island Cafe. But anyways, let's get into the meat of the matter. So yeah man, we're out here again. It's original Kountry Boi. Yo, the sun hot. So yeah man, we have to find a nice little cool shade for go and hide and do that vlog you're seeing. So anyways, shout out to Roxanne. She's one of the viewers that basically was saying, yo, Kountry Boi, you need to do a follow-up to that video, yeah, this and that and that. And she posed me a ton of questions. So yeah, I done the milkshake and now I'll be basically talking on behalf of people that had been through the quarantine process so I can bring the information to you. I'm going to answer one of the first questions posed to me by Roxanne. I'm going to get into it like right about now. Yeah, the first question. If I was not a resident in Jamaica and I lived overseas and I wanted to come into Jamaica, would I still have to quarantine while I'm here and for how long? So the government of Jamaica still expect you to quarantine, which means you have to stay inside and approximately for the same region, 2 weeks. In the midst of this, I'm going to answer another question. So if you are planning a vacation to Jamaica and you say, yo, I just want to come down here for 1 day, 2 day, 3 day, I'm telling you the truth, that don't make no sense. So if you are planning a short visit to Jamaica right now, it don't make sense to come, alright? Because the government of Jamaica expect you to be quarantined for 2 weeks or up until your test come back negative. And you know, say if them not call you, that means say your test obviously negative. But if them call you, yeah man, you know, say you're in a trouble, right? So yeah, so that's the answer to the first question. You still have to quarantine while you're here for approximately 2 weeks. Alright, so that's question 1. Question 2 is this tracking thing that they be talking about real? Let me tell you the truth. Yes, the tracking thing real because you see you remember the app that Britney spoke about?
Jam COVID-19.
When you download that app, they can actually use that app to trace you and to it basically give away your location. On to question number 3, which is Question 3. This one is a tricky one even for me, cause when I think about it, if the government expect you to quarantine for approximately 2 weeks, how can you really tour? And if they have the Jam COVID app on your back, how can you really have any freedom to tour? So my answer to that would be you would have to be precautious with how you do it. Like, if you do tour, if you're still in quarantine and you still intend to tour, just please make sure that you do it safely. But I am not going to say you can't, and I'm not going to say you can, because for me that's the safest answer. But if you still insist on touring while you're here in Jamaica, I would say just follow all the rules that they have in place and do it safely for all of us. That's all I would say. So yeah, man, that's a tricky one. All right, so on to question number 4. Question number 4 is, what is Jam COVID app like? Well, I had personal witness of what that app is like. So basically, every other minute, let's say half an hour or even less, bing, you get a notification on your phone. Time to upload video. Time to basically just show them what you are dealing with. Show them so you're still in quarantine. Show them that you're still in your quarantine location. So that app basically expect you to upload a video of yourself. I think you have to say a code. There's a coding that they send to you, and while you're sending that video, you say that coding. And also there's a little part where you're supposed to do it, put in your temperature, and then you just send it off. And then when you do all of that, bing, they tell you that you're good to go. So yeah, man, that's quite interesting. So yeah, that's what the app basically is. Every minute it dep on your back, and that is why before I was saying it's kind of hard for you to like go anywhere really. So if you're not coming here for a month or so on, I would say no come. But nonetheless, still come in here, man. 'Cause you don't know, at Jamaica this and we always find all sort of way to beat the system. Well, them, not me, just being safe. Because I don't want the Prime Minister find country boy. You see me? Yeah, peeps. Alright, so apparently I do not have any more questions. So that means that this is the end of the video. You see? Chop. Oh, you mean? Out there. So yeah, man. Anyways, everybody, thanks for watching, and Roxy, big up yourself. Yeah, man, you're one of the number one people. You see? So yeah, please remember to like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you again. Original Kountry Boi. Boom bang.